Do you know what type of students you are? Did you study in the right way to achieve your dreams with a good spirit? Have you ever felt fear from your study or from failure? Do you know your life is mysterious, with unpredictable occasions can happen with you anytime, but you don't realize them mostly. But if you have strong faith in you and think that your ambition, then you are on the right path and out of tension. Have you ever think what your parents expect from you? That one day you will give them strength and protect them, not to weep. They expect you will be brave enough to support them and comfort them. Think what you give to your parents, to the society, and to yourself. Success, happiness, hope, nothing. Did you fulfill the dream of Kai? It's a question. Ask yourselves. Yes, no.